from Webapi.ai, and today I want to introduce you AI Connector. Let's say you are a developer and you have built your own AI pipeline using tools like Llama Index, LangChain, Cohere. There are so many other tools available today in the market, and you want to connect it to Webapi in order to get access to all of its UI features like inbox and so on. Let me quickly show you how it can work. Um, in this example, I've built my own AI agent using Cohere API. It's a very basic AI agent, and now I can connect it to a VPI platform by just copying and pasting the endpoint URL. That's pretty much it. We can already connect it to VPI platform. Now let's go ahead and test it. Let's say, hi, who are you? Here we go. It works. It generated answer using my AI agent from that endpoint. And now we get access to all the WebAPI features like inbox. You can connect human in the loop. You get access to all the supported channels like Instagram, WhatsApp, Twilio, SMS, Facebook Messenger, web widget, and so on. You get access to analytics, to email notifications, to actions, to different kinds of integrations, and there's so many other features we have. That's pretty much it. I hope you'll enjoy it, and I'm looking forward for your feedback.